Hello, first video in the new series. So this is just while the back of the loom is empty, I thought I'd give you a quick overview on, well, basically how the loom works. So there, I don't know how well you can see it, there's one of the treadles, there's the other one. So those treadles connect to this low shaft, or this main shaft here, through these cranks. And as you operate the treadles, that'll turn that shaft. Now that shaft governs everything really on the loom. So the first thing you can see here is a cog there that's connected to this one. So as that shaft turns that cog, which in turn turns this cog, and this is the tappet block. So this tappet block, then can you see those pennies there? The really shiny round things. So those levers can come up and down. Can you see that? So when they're sitting up, they're normally connected to the boards. There you go. So there's the boards there. So they're normally connected through them. So as the tappet block turns, now this is set for what we call a 2 up, 2 down. So there will always be 2 boards up and 2 boards down. And it's just set to go and turn. So the first one and the second one, and then the second and third, third and fourth, fourth and first and second, so on, so on, so on. So as the tappet block moves, it turns and it pushes those pennies down, or allows them to come up, and that in turn governs the movement of the boards up and down. Also, you have these cams here. So as the shaft turns, it's going to take that cam, it's going to come round, it'll hit that roller. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. It keeps going out of focus, but it'll hit this roller here. And as that roller gets pushed out the way, like that, and then it'll get brought back, this is all connected to this picking arm, and then that's what pushes that shuttle. So you can see that shuttle there. So if this was to go at a fair whack, it would push the shuttle across to the other side of the loom. Yeah, that's the main crux of weaving with one of these looms. And this is the same sort of thing you're going to have. You need something that'll throw a shuttle and something that'll control the movement of boards, no matter what kind of loom you're using. Whether it's one with levers at the top to lift the boards up or let them down. The old wooden looms had, they would have a treadle for every one of these boards here. They would be connected to a block of wood, if you like, and you would then manually push them down in order to control the boards. And sometimes as well, rather than this picking arm throwing things back and forth, it would be done manually. Now there is, because this is a revolving box loom, there's all of this section still to get into, but I think we'll maybe leave that for another time, and then we'll go into more detail as and when I think of what to say. Okay, thanks, bye.